Greetings traders, D7 here with freetradingvideos.com. The market's down slightly today. We see here the Dow down 1%, Nasdaq down 1%, S&P down 1%. Big drop here on the Russells. Look at this, almost 3%. But the VIX drops 2%. We are now below 45. Very nice to see. Now, at one part of the day, we were crashing and burning. This is the S&P daily that we're looking at here. We came we were way down here. The low of today was 752. I mean, we're down there knocking at the door 750 yet again. We did a touch and go, came screaming right back up. And then in the last 25 minutes of the day, we get this sell-off. We come right back down. There for a while, we had this hammer-looking formation up here. And this trend line that we have, this little light one, this blue one that we have coming down, was acting as some nice resistance there for a little while. But then, like I said, last 25 minutes of the day, we came down. Now, I'm going to zoom in here, and let's take a look at something. This is called consolidation. You just start to consolidate here. Now, technically speaking, this could be turned into a low base or a bearish pennant, and that would be bearish, and we would go south. What I want to see the markets do is make up its mind what it wants to do, and do so fairly fast. We do have a higher low here, and yet again another higher low. That means the bears are losing ground here. Now, but I'm not seeing that reflected on the highs. We, here we have a lower high, lower high, a lower high, but we only have one higher high. Yesterday we had an inside trading day to this candle giving us a bullish harami. Here, there for a while we had a hammer, but I would not call this a hammer because we have too big of an upper shadow here. So this is just yet again kind of an inside trading day, but we're just sideways here. It's consolidation. We need to make up our mind what's gonna happen here. So housing news it came out. It was grim. It knocked us down a little bit, but I think people realize that this is a major support area right down here. So it's just going to be really tough to break that. But if it does, man, I'm telling you, we could be in some significant trouble. I'm just zooming out, giving ourselves a nice look here. All the lines, it makes it a little tough. So, you know what I'll do is I'll just go to the spiders. Here's the spiders. I'll just go way back in time here. You can see just the monster drop that we've had. And then we get this little bearish pennant type formation or symmetrical triangle, and then we're breaking down. I'd like to see this rally up here. But look at this low. I mean, we're just teetering on death. But if we do rally up right here, then we'd have our double bottom formation. So this is why this is so important to see this make a move either up or down right now. Sideways would be bearish. Down obviously would be bearish. Up would only be bullish if and only if we go up on significant volume, breaking these resistance areas. That would have to happen. If not, all this does is make for a real tasty short right here. Hit its head on these resistance lines and then short the puddings out of it. And we don't care how far it goes in because we're making money. So there you have it. Catch you later.